Alright. I'm about to put a fucking cold air intake on my car. So. I've put many cold air intakes on, clearly. Oh, my car's hating and I haven't drove it in a couple of days. No check engine though, she doesn't fuck around. Uh-oh. I burnt some foam. Whoops. Oh my. There's a little ass fucking box. Oh my god. I definitely didn't mean that. Okay, here we go. Yeah, I definitely did not mean to do that. This piece is like falling on me. There's like a burnt piece. Alright. I'm running no garage arm. Oh my god. Is this thing gonna make it? Put it like right here. Okay. So we'll do a little before rever. Yeah, it sounds like nothing is just trash. Alright. So I'm pretty sure after we do this rice nonsense to it. Oh fuck. That was rice, I forgot to put some clutch. Bro! Oh my god, okay. Got it. Fucking dirty this is. Oh my god. Literally sat out for all the day. Ugh. Look at the Jetta graveyard. Oh god. Here she is. Come on. Fuck. I shook the flash on. Oh my. Alright. Great. Okay. All right, here we go. So I got this head mounter on. Look like a fucking dink, but whatever. So I gotta take this off. A video I watched, there's two fucking plugs here, and there's not. There's one right here, and there's one right there, and there's not any. There is these cords over there. So I gotta take this fucking math off. I mean, I don't necessarily have to take it out of the car. I gotta take this fucking thing off. And then... Well, I'm gonna take that off. Okay, so I'm gonna take that off first. And take her off. And then clips? What the fuck? Okay, I will say I've never seen that before. Yeah, that's definitely a clip. What the fuck? Okay, so there's like just clips everything besides this thing. Why would you need clips on everything else? Why would you put clips on everything else? Opposed to putting a couple screws in there, a lot tighter, and then you screw this in. Really? Okay. Wow, this fucking head thing is being cigarette. Okay. Alright. Let's take some of these bitches off real quick. Good old European machines. A little bit rusty though, as you see. Just a little bit. Wow, my phone actually had pretty good detail right there. That was pretty nice. Convenient. That was amateur as fuck. Wow, tell me. Don't even tell me just that front piece, because I'll lose my shit. Absolutely. Well, I'm trying to. Oh my god. He always snaps me on in the middle of my fucking. Alright. Her. Oh, I need a box. Bro, why would you ever take that off? Is that a tenner? Wow. Okay. I don't even know if I use. Probably not. Okay. Bro! Gone. I have a habit of chewing on my cigarettes. And I don't even smoke when we get this shit. Alright, so we take this fucking thing and we fucking. Jesus, plastic. Yes, I wanted the light in my fucking eye. Come on. Bruh. You have no idea how hard it is to focus the camera and the light at the same time. Alright, so we got our clippos. I'm just gonna grab a flathead a little bit easier. So I have some rusty. Come on, you fucking rust. Not rust. That just. Wow, I didn't have the camera on it. This was like in there though. Okay. Bro, where's he? Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, wow. Okay, it's gonna be a slot. Let's see if that works. Oh, I got it. Tell me there's not another one back there. Bro, why would you put it back there? Look at this one. Unreachable. Can you see it? Right there. I can't even. Alright. Yeah, it's down there. I'll probably be able to get it off like this though. That's fine. Alright, I'm gonna pause the video. Or actually, I don't know if I can pause it. I'm just gonna fucking end the video. Download this one separately. Wow, unload it separately. Bro, my English is. Alright, so I'm gonna fucking. I'm gonna upload this separately. I'm gonna fucking take another video right now. And I'll be right back.